Nalulungkot ka ba? May turo ang paniniwala natin sa Holy Trinity. Para sa mabuhay buhay tayo na po at magkape at padasal. John 3:16 about the Trinity actually contains a beautiful truth for a lonely generation. God is, at his core, a relationship. On Holy Trinity Week, this week, we remember we follow a communal God existing in an eternal dance of love. This matters because in an age of ghosting, true belonging is hard to find. Being created in the image of a communal God explains the deep ache we feel for connection. It's our spiritual DNA. You are not a project to be fixed. You are a person invited into an eternal family. John 3, verse 17 tells us that the goal isn't condemnation, but rescue and relationship. This changes how we see ourselves and how we treat those around us. Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, nagpapasalamat kami dahil kasama kami sa iyong buhay. Tulungan mo kaming ipakita ang iyong pagmamahal bilang tulay sa anumang pag-aaway at hindi pagkakaunawaan. Amen.